Every great journey begins with purity and the soft touch of dawn. Across these vast organic fields, nature prepares its most precious gift for a golden transformation. The Hass avocado, known as the king of superfoods, thrives under the perfect balance of soil and sun, reaching its peak of nutrition and vibrant oil content. Here, the wisdom of tradition meets the fruit of the earth. These avocados are not merely produce. They are the raw essence of premium liquid gold. From the quiet orchard to the cutting-edge laboratory of health, the journey accelerates. We bridge the gap between ancient nature and the heights of modern science. Technology takes the baton from nature. At this threshold, a meticulously controlled process begins to ensure that every nutrient is captured and preserved with absolute care. Welcome to our state-of-the-art facility, a sanctuary where the finest avocados are transformed into the world's most sought-after oil using the highest standards of engineering. The process is seamless and grand. Each fruit is treated as a masterpiece, moving through a system designed to honor its biological complexity and healthy fats. We are not just making oil, we are refining health. The initiation of this process marks the birth of a product that redefines the meaning of quality. Cleanliness is the foundation of excellence. Our multi-stage ozone cleaning system uses powerful water cycles to remove every trace of dust and impurities from the skin. This effervescent bath ensures that only the purest ingredients move forward. Every bubble works to sanitize the fruit while maintaining its natural integrity and structure. Precision sorting is crucial. Our automated systems analyze the geometry and weight of each fruit, ensuring that only the most consistent and mature avocados are selected. And digital eyes never sleep. Every avocado is scanned for external flaws, guaranteeing that the raw material for our oil is of the highest possible grade available. Beyond physical cleaning, we employ ultraviolet sterilization. This final layer of protection eliminates any microscopic organisms, preparing the fruit for the delicate extraction phases ahead. The rhythm of the machine is the heartbeat of quality. This flow represents our commitment to a continuous, uninterrupted process that minimizes time and prevents degradation. In this industrial symphony, water and steel dance together. The environment is kept perfectly clean, mirroring the purity of the fruit we are about to process. Drying is the final step before the core is reached. Every detail, no matter how small, is managed to perfection to prevent any dilution of the oil. We now enter the heart of the machine. The multi-layer cleaning is complete. The fruit is ready to reveal its inner emerald treasure to the world. Thus, precision to the millimeter. Advanced infrared sensors look through the skin and flesh, pinpointing the exact location and size of the hard seed hidden within. Our high-speed robotic cutters act with surgical accuracy. By knowing exactly where the stone is, we ensure a perfect cut that preserves the most valuable pulp. The stone is removed in an instant. This technology prevents the bitterness of the pit from ever touching the oil, ensuring a smooth and buttery flavor profile. The skin is stripped away, leaving only the nutrient-rich green flesh. This vibrant pulp is the source of all the healthy monounsaturated fats we seek to extract. Notice the intensity of the color. This emerald pulp contains the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that make avocado oil a true elixir for a healthy lifestyle. This infrared breakthrough is what sets us apart. It allows us to handle the fruit with a level of care that traditional methods simply cannot match today. Nothing is left to chance. And even at this stage, automated quality control removes any piece that does not meet our rigorous standards for color and texture purity. Byproducts are efficiently separated. Our focus remains solely on the precious green meat, ensuring that no impurities from the exterior parts ever enter our extraction tanks. This is where engineering meets nature's bounty. The speed and scale of our de-pitting operation are designed to process fruit at the peak of its freshness. Pure, green, and perfect. The pulp is now ready for the most critical phase, the cold-pressed extraction in a controlled, oxygen-free environment for maximum quality. In the silence of the malaxation tank, the pulp is gently kneaded. This slow, rhythmic movement helps the microscopic oil droplets begin to coalesce and separate naturally. Temperature is our strictest law. By keeping the process below 27 degrees Celsius, we ensure that every enzyme and nutrient remains fully intact and biologically active. Oxygen is the enemy of freshness. We extract our oil in a total vacuum, preventing any oxidation from occurring, which preserves the oil's vibrant color and flavor. Watch as the texture transforms. The mechanical energy, applied with extreme gentleness, coaxes the oil out of the plant cells without the use of any heat. The sound of power and patience. This stage takes time, but it is the only way to achieve the superior quality that defines a truly premium avocado oil. Our advanced vacuum technology creates a protected sanctuary for the oil. Within this void, the natural essence of the avocado is released in its purest possible form. Constant vigilance ensures consistency. Every batch is monitored by experts who use real-time data to adjust the malaxation timing for the perfect oil yield and quality. Now, centrifugal force takes over, spinning at incredible speeds as the machine separates the heavy water and solids from the light, precious oil in a matter of seconds. Physics at its most beautiful. The difference in density allows the oil to rise, leaving behind everything but the concentrated essence of the avocado's healthy nutrients. This industrial heart of the factory is where the magic happens. Hundreds of liters are processed every hour, yet each drop receives the same meticulous care. The first glimpse of the oil. It is dark, rich, and full of life. This raw extract is already superior to any refined oil on the market today. We leave nothing behind. Our extraction process is so efficient that it captures almost every drop of oil, leaving only dry, spent pulp for eco-friendly recycling. The oil travels through a closed, sterile system. Protected from light and air, it maintains its peak nutritional value as it nears its final destination in the bottle. Behold the birth of emerald gold. This vibrant green color is the hallmark of true cold-pressed avocado oil, rich in chlorophyll and natural plant sterols. It is more than just oil. It is a masterpiece of nature and science. The clarity and richness of this liquid are the direct result of our uncompromising process. Light reveals the truth. The deep green hue proves the absence of high heat refining or bleaching, keeping all the natural antioxidants exactly where they belong. Every drop is a concentrate of health. Packed with vitamin E and omega-9, this oil offers a level of nutrition that is rarely found in any other fat. A river of health flows through our facility. This visual spectacle represents the culmination of a journey that began in the sun-drenched orchards of the valley. The final touch of perfection. Our ultra-fine filtration process ensures the oil is brilliantly clear while preserving the heavy molecules that carry its signature buttery flavor. Resting in stainless steel, the oil settles. In this controlled environment, it waits to be bottled, protected from the elements to ensure its long-lasting freshness. The stage is set for the final act. These dark bottles are chosen specifically to guard our precious oil from the degrading effects of light and UV rays. Each bottle is filled with precision. We capture the essence of thousands of avocados, condensing their power into a form that is easy to enjoy every day. This is the triumph of technology and nature. A symphony of processes has come together to create a product that stands at the pinnacle of culinary excellence. Science is our final judge. In our on-site laboratory, every batch is subjected to rigorous testing to confirm its purity acidity levels, and nutrient density. Data doesn't lie. Our spectrophotometric analysis ensures that the oil meets international standards for extra virgin quality, providing peace of mind for our most discerning customers. The packaging is as sophisticated as the oil itself. Robotic precision ensures that every bottle is handled with care, moving efficiently toward its final transformation. A mark of distinction. Our labels are a promise of quality, a signature that signifies the hard work and innovation that went into every single drop inside. Security and freshness are paramount. The final seal locks in the aroma and flavor, guaranteeing that the oil you pour is as fresh as the day it was pressed. The journey through the factory is complete. What began as a fruit on a tree is now a premium product, ready to enhance the health of families worldwide. A final glance for perfection. We inspect every bottle to ensure the label is straight, the seal is tight, and the product is absolutely flawless for you. Human touch remains our guiding light. Beyond the machines, our people ensure that every package is prepared with the respect and care that a premium product deserves. The final destination is your table. Experience the rich, a buttery flavor, and the incredible health benefits of a truly cold-pressed premium avocado oil today. Premium cold-pressed avocado oil, the essence of technology, the soul of nature. Elevate your health and your culinary craft to the highest level of sophistication.